Good
Okay,
morning.
good morning.
Good
Good
morning.
morning.
I'm Mr.
I am Mr.
Dioscoro of
Dioscoro
Western
of
Guarantee
Western Guarantee
Corporation,
Corporation,
Naval Branch,
Naval Branch,
and
and
today
today
I was
I was
tasked
tasked
to
to
interview you
interview
about
you
your
about your
opportunities.
opportunities.
By the
By the
way,
way,
how did you
how
come to
did
know
you come to
about
know
our
about
company?
our company? Morning, sir. So I learned about your company through online research and recommendation while searching for opportunities in the insurance industry. I became interested because of your company's reputation, professionalism, and commitment to helping clients. I also read about the company's values, growth, and quality service, which motivated me to apply.
Please tell me
Please
about
tell me about
yourself,
yourself,
Mr.
Mr.
John.
John. Good morning, sir. I recently graduated with a civil engineering degree. During my studies, I developed skills in problem solving, teamwork, and handling responsibilities under pressure. I also gained experience in working on academic projects that required planning, analysis, and attention to detail. I'm eager to start my professional career, learn from experienced people, and contribute positively to the company while continuously improving my skills and knowledge.
In case you
In
are
case you are
hired,
hired,
what do you
what do
think
you
you
think
can
you can
contribute to
contribute
us?
to us? I believe I can contribute through my strong work ethic, willingness to learn, and problem solving skills. As a civil engineering graduate, I was trained to analyze situations carefully, work under pressure, and pay attention to details. I also developed discipline and responsibility in completing tasks on time. I can contribute by being reliable, flexible, and working well with a team to help achieve the company goals, while also being open to learn and improving in this industry.
By the
By the
way,
way,
at work,
at work,
what
what
are your
are
strengths?
your strengths? Um, my strengths are my problem solving skills and attention to detail and ability to work under pressure. As a civil engineering graduate, I learned how to analyze situations carefully and find practical solutions. I'm also a team player and I communicate well when working with others. Another strength of mine is my willingness to learn and improve, especially when facing new tasks or challenges.
Can you give me
Can you
some
give me some
ideas or
ideas or
example about
example
that?
about that? Yes, sir. For example, during my civil engineering studies, we had a group project with strict deadlines and complex calculation. I took responsibilities for checking details and making sure our work was accurate. Even when we faced pressure and limited time, I stayed focused, organized the tasks, and helped my group finish on time with correct results. This showed my abilities to handle pressure, work in a team, and pay attention to details.
What do you
What
think
do you
is
think is
your
your
strongest
strongest
strength?
strength? Um, for my strongest strength, sir, I would say that my strongest strength is my problem-solving ability. In civil engineering, I was trained to analyze situations, identify issues, and find practical solutions. I enjoy breaking down complex problems and finding the most effective way to handle them, which I believe which I believe it is also important in any professional role in this industry.
Okay?
Okay,
We'll
we'll
be
be
advising you
advising
very
you very
soon
soon
via email
via email
about
about
your
your
application.
application.
Good morning
Good morning
again,
again,
and God
and
bless you,
God
Mr.
bless you,
John.
Mr. Jan. Thank you very much, sir. We will